Today's video is a little bit different than my normal videos. I'm restocking and refilling items in our home, our master bath, the kitchen, and the laundry room, and a little light cleaning. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. The most used drawer in our bathroom, and it needs the most attention from, using the toothbrushes and little hairs get inside of the drawers. And I clean this weekly. I don't know about you guys, but I clean mine weekly. These bins are the iDesign bins that I absolutely love. And if your drawer does not look like this, I highly suggest you trying this. You don't have to use the iDesign bins. You get bins from the Dollar Tree. You could get them from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, all of the sister stores to get yourself organized. Okay. I have my husband's and I electric toothbrushes here, and they're magnetic. So they don't really roll when you open and close in the drawer. They don't really roll around, which I love. And then I have the replacement heads here, which I probably need to stock up some more. And then I'm just gonna fill these two up. And then here I just kind of leave this here open for his deodorant because there's a little room here and there's not really, well, there is a drawer here. I don't know, we'll see, because I'm always changing things up. I'm using this old decanter that I've had for years. I got it from the flea market and it's not in the best condition. You can see it's very old and I can't get that stain out, but I didn't want to get rid of it because it has this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful etched design that's on it of a ship. How cute is that, right? But it serves three things. Aesthetically pleasing, it provides organization, and you're upcycling something that would have been in our landfill. I absolutely love how it turned out. I'm always switching this little area up, but I wanted to give you guys an update of what I'm going to be doing in this little corner of mine since we've renovated this bathroom. I should have did this when Frank was here. You guys know Frank, my contractor. I wanted to hang some drapes over the window and I want to change out these blinds. This was a temporary fix so I could get through the rental part and then worry about what I'm gonna do next. I wanted to take my time with that. I don't like to rush anything. I do it on my own time, especially when it comes to styling a space. So I'm gonna put drapes up. And I may even take down this little towel bar over here because I don't know. I don't really need towels because I have so many in here, and I would prefer a piece of artwork here, I think. So that's the plan. That's the plan. So stay tuned to see what I'm going to be doing next.
All the way from the back to the front of it is froze up.
I know. It keeps doing that.
I hope there ain't no leak or nothing somewhere.
Pull it up. Pull the refrigerator out and look in the back. But if it was a leak, it would be on the floor.
Water be everywhere.
Yeah. Look at that, you guys. I know a lot of people have these problems with these refrigerators. Oh, well, I got to get a new refrigerator.
Nope. That's what you want.
I do. Well, this refrigerator has been really good to us. We've had it for what? How many years?
Oh, yeah.
I think ever since we moved here. Along with the washer. Sorry, you guys, about the light. I don't know. This is just ridiculous.
Because lettuce.
But it got a good run, though. I hope you have enjoyed this little ASMR video I shared with you today, and I hope it will inspire you to get your home in order for the spring season. And I want to thank you all for watching.